Hello, welcome back. So here we're going to do warm up forearm. I'm going to do 10 diamond push-up. Yeah. So let's do it. Now we start forearm press for 7 rep, and after that we'll go for weight. I suggest in between time it takes 15-second break. Now I'm doing a DB rotation for forearm. You can go for 10 repetition. It's really awesome for forearm to grow. Now is the awesome workout for arm, hammer curl, single arm. So we go for 10 repetition and take it slow, don't do rush and enjoy it. Okay, and take break 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Now I am target tricep with tricep press up. Definitely you will feel the pressure on your tricep when you do this workout. So yes, this is a great workout to do it. Go for 10 repetition and 15-second break. Now I'm doing another great workout for bicep. This is really cool. When you do it, focus on movement, how I do it. You'll see the burn on your bicep. Very cool workout, very nice. I really love that workout. This is so cool. And this is the one for tricep killer. Each arm go for 10 repetition, and you'll do for 20 total. So now I'm doing another hand for 10 repetition. That's just awesome. When you do the workout, always focus on the muscle, on your mind. Yes, this is the one, the dumbbell curl. This is really the one to get your bicep. Go slow and push hard. I do recommendation for 10 repetition. And this is the Dumbell Hammer. We going for 10 rep for each side. So you know how this workout is going is really tough. When you finish one round, you can feel that your arm is dying. I'm turning. Now is going for another hand for 10 rep. Yes, this is so cool. You can see my face is now becoming red. Go for 10 repetition for each arm. Now I'm doing DB drag curl for 10 repetition. Really a cool workout. You do it slowly. When you push up and down, it's slow, and you target your bicep and you feel the burn. 10 repetition is enough for this one. I think the last. And here comes the last workout, DB kickbacks for 10 repetition. The last workout, you go for as hard as you can. I hope you like the video and have a great day.